Here is how easy it is to change a wiper motor on a 2017 Ford Escape. There's these clips that hold this plastic piece on. You just get in behind them. They go in like that. You just get in behind them with a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and just pry them out like that. Try not to lose them. I've lost one of these already. I dropped it down there and it of course didn't fall all the way through. It's stuck somewhere. But you undo all of those. Undo the nut on the wiper arm. The wiper arm pulls off. And then this lifts up. It clips in a bit back there. So you undo those clips just by pulling up. You undo that wire back there, which you don't have to undo yet. If you undo this one and this bolt, you can pull that unit out. It clips into like a little rubber grommet back there, so it's a little, you got to tug it a bit. And then once you get it out, you can get that plug off easy. And putting it back together is just as easy as that. You push it back into the hole where the grommet is. You plug the wire in first, so it's nice and easy. Then you push it in the hole. Then you do up these two bolts. Put this back down, put the clips on, put the wiper on, and you're good to go. One thing to remember is that the passenger side wiper, or the right side, goes on after or underneath the driver's side like that. And it's because it's spring loaded, you kind of push it down like that to get it into place. And then you take the nut and you just spin it on. And it's probably metric, like a 17 or something, but a 5/8 works really good just to tighten that down. And then there's these little caps that go on. They just go on over top of the nut. And now you try it. And they both work. Just like we wanted. Now the interesting thing about these is that they aren't one motor with a linkage between them like most cars have. They're a separate motor on each side and they communicate with a communication wire. So if one doesn't work, the other one will stop working. Like when this one on this side wasn't working, that one would go up and stay in the up position. And it does that so that the wipers can't hit each other. Then once you've got it all back together, these clips just push on with your fingers like that. They're not hard to do. Because of the one I dropped and lost, I'm gonna just leave that middle one empty. Actually, you know what? I'll leave this one empty and I'll put that there. Good enough.